So hello all, in this video let's start with question number second. We'll do question number second in this. So let's begin with question number second, exercise 6.1 chapter 6. So in second class 9th we are talking about. So here's the figure. So this sort of figure is given, and this O A B C X Y P M and N, and here given that this angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3 to find angle C. So solution, now we all know the sum of this whole angle, the angles on this line will be 180. So angle A plus angle B plus angle POY is equal to 180 degree. And when ratio is given, assume the angles to be, let angle A and angle B be 2x and 3x respectively, right? So angle A is equal to 2x, angle B is equal to 3x, because the ratio is 2 ratio 3. So from this equation we can say 2x plus 3x plus POY is 90 is equal to 180. So 5x plus 90 is equal to 180. So this implies 5x is equal to 180 minus 90, which is 90. So this implies x is equal to 90 upon 5, which is 5 one time, 5 8 times. So x is 18 degree. So if x is 18 degree, angle A is equal to 2x. So 2 multiplied by 18, 36 degree, right? Angle B is equal to 3x. So 3 multiplied by 18, 54 degree, right? So angle A is, we have determined, angle B we have determined, we have to find out angle C. Now angle B plus angle C is again 180. So angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Reason, linear pair. So angle B is what? Angle B here is 54 plus angle C is equal to 180. So this implies angle C is equal to 180 minus 54, which is 126 degree. So angle C value is 126 degree. This is our answer, right? So very easy it was. Question number third. So in question number third we have this sort of figure, right? P Q R S T. So given angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ, right? To prove angle PQS is equal to angle PRT, right? So proof, now it is given that PQR is equal to PRQ, this angle is equal to this angle. Now angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ, right? Now if we subtract these two angles from 180, so subtracting both sides by 180, so 180 minus angle PQR is equal to 180 minus angle PRQ, right? So 180 minus this angle will be what? This angle, because the sum of both of them is 180. So 180 minus PQR is angle PQS, and 180 minus PRQ is PRT. So this is what we have to prove. So hence proved. So before that, let's write the reasons. Reason is angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180. Second is angle PRT plus angle PRQ is equal to 180. So these two are the reasons for it, right? So this is question number third. Next, question number fourth. So question number fourth we have, this is the figure. Somewhere this sort of figure is given. So X, Y, Z, W. this is O, B, A, C, D, right? So given x plus y is equal to w plus z, to prove AOB is a line, right? So if AOB is a line, we need to prove this. Then proof. Now we all know that sum of all the angles will be 360 degree at this point. So angle AOD plus, okay, let's simply write x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree. Sum of all angles is equal to 360 degree at this point, right? So x plus y can be replaced by w plus z. So w plus z, because x plus y is equal to w plus z. So plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree, right? So 2w plus 2z is equal to 360 degree. Or we can say, taking 2 common, w plus z is equal to 360 degree, right? So w plus z is equal to 360 upon 2, which is 180. Now the sum of two angles is 180. That means w and z makes a straight line, then only then it is 180. So this implies AOB is a line, and w plus z is equal to 180, and w plus z is equal to x plus y. So x plus y is also 180. So this implies AOB is a line, because then only then we can say w plus z is equal to 180 or x plus y is equal to 180. So hence proved. So this is question number 4th. Next is question number 5. So question number 5th is POQ is a line. Okay, PO, this is the figure given, right? R O Q S P, right? So given OR is perpendicular to PQ. So OR perpendicular to PQ, right? To prove angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS, right? So whatever we have to prove, let's start from there only. Proof. So we know that angle ROS. So from here we can say angle ROS is equal to this whole angle minus this angle, right? ROS is this one, right? So this angle will be equal to this whole angle minus this 90 degree. So angle ROS is equal to angle SOQ minus angle ROQ, right? Now ROQ is 90 degree and POR is also 90 degree. So can we replace ROQ by POR? So this implies angle SOQ minus angle POR, right? Because angle ROQ is equal to angle POR is equal to 90 degree, right? So now POR can be written as POS plus SOR, yeah, ROS. So angle SOQ, or we can say angle QOS, SOQ can be written as QOS also, is it minus angle POR minus, okay, POR can be written as POS plus angle ROS, right? POS plus angle ROS, right? So angle QOS minus angle POS minus angle ROS, right, is equal to angle ROS. Now taking this ROS common, or taking this ROS on the right hand side, so ROS will come here. So ROS plus ROS will be 2 angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS, right? So angle ROS will be equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So this is what we have to prove, hence proved. So that's what we have begun with. So angle ROS is this angle, right? So this angle can be written as this whole minus this one. So this angle we have replaced with this one, right? So ROS will be equal to this whole angle minus this angle. Now we have broken this whole angle into two parts, this one and this one. So simplifying both this whole equation, we'll get this, required expression. Next, last question of this exercise, sixth question. So it is given that XYZ is 64 degree. XYZ is equal to 64 degree, right? XY is produce XY to point P, right? Now draw the figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects ZYP, YQ bisects ZYP, that means this part is equal to this part. So given angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and angle ZYQ is equal to angle PYQ, right? Both the angles are equal. It is also given. So to prove or to find, we need to find that we need to find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP, right? So proof. So in proof, what do we have? Sorry, not proof, solution this time, because we have to find something. So solution for it. Now we know that angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle PYQ is equal to 180 degree. Sum of this whole angle will be equal to 180 degree, right? So we can say XYZ is 64 degree. And here ZYQ is equal to PYQ, it is given. So let it be A, right? So ZYQ is A plus PYQ is also A is equal to 180 degree. So this implies 2A is equal to 180 minus 64, which is 126 degree, right? So A is equal to, okay, not 126, 116 degree, 116 degree. So A is equal to 116 upon 2, which is 58 degree, right? So which means what? Angle ZYQ is equal to angle PYQ is equal to 58 degree, because A is equal to ZYQ is equal to PYQ. So both angle is equal to 58 degree. So now we have to find out reflex of QYP. So reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 minus angle QYP. As I told you, reflex of any angle will lie between 180 to 360. So subtract that same angle with 360 from 360. So 360 minus QYP. QYP is how much? 58 degree we have determined recently. So this will be equal to 302 degree, right? 60 minus 58 is 302 degree. So this is about 302 degree. Now reflex of QYP we have determined. Now we have to find out angle XYQ. So angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ, which is 64 plus 58. So which is 2 and 6, 5, 11 and 1, 12, 122 degree. So these two are our answers. So pause the video to note it down. So this is all about this exercise. So in the next video, we'll discuss about next exercise. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.